Hello and welcome to Travelling Everard. We're walking today from Grantchester to Cambridge city centre. It's about 45 minutes to walk there, so not too far. But I thought... Oh yeah, I am actually. But I thought I'd give you a quick update on the channel. Bit of a sad situation actually. So I recently went on a slight visit up London and took my GoPro and left my bag on the train. And because I got off, I got onto the wrong train.
Yeah, but why did you leave your bag on the train?
Because I was stupid.
And drunk.
I wasn't that drunk. But so I then suddenly thought, oh no, my bag's on the train, because I got off that train. By which time the train had gone. And I've never found it since. So I did report it to Greater East Anglia and King's Cross Station, but yeah, it's not been found. But I've lost all my footage from... Well, I had one more video for Slovenia. I had 3 videos filmed in Morocco and a video in Montenegro. So it's all been lost, so I'm a bit gutted about that. So, but I've now purchased a new camera, the GoPro Hero 12. So I'm going to be back filming again now. As you can see, it's pretty muddy. I probably picked the wrong train. Quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. The berries are there.
Yeah. I can see Cambridge from here.
What?
There's the spire there, and I saw some buildings there.
There's Hellcat.
Oh God, that was close. You can see the leaves are starting to come now, but they're nice colours.
Blue blackberries there.
Oh, yeah, they're quite small. They're not looking good now, are they?
Hang on. That's a couple of bouquet ones.
Yeah.
Not for me.
No. Seen a lot of joggers this morning.
It would literally take my breath away in this because it's quite cold.
Yeah, it was about 4 degrees in the van when we left this morning. It's only about 9 o'clock though.
Well, at least sun's out.
It's a bloody lovely day actually.
Yeah.
We've had a lot of rain recently, so it's quite nice having a sunny day. Got the traditional willow trees over there. Must be the river over there then. They're always by the rivers, aren't they?
Yeah.
Or ponds.
I swung out on one of them when I was younger and fell straight in the water and snapped. Yeah.
You don't
And
have,
I had my new jumper on.
you don't have much luck, do you?
My mum had a lot better. Oh, so yeah, he likes the look of that tree.
Hey, it's nice colours.
Yeah.
That is really nice actually.
It is.
Next week that probably won't have any leaves on it.
No.
Quite nice, isn't it? Bit of money in Cambridge though, isn't there?
Good job I've got up quick.
Yeah. I've just walked straight into a puddle. Had to get that in.
Watch out where you're walking.
There's a little cool bike coming up. These are really nice.
Yeah.
Must be something to do with the college.
And put my map on.
Yeah. Really nice street. What's that over there then, Emily?
It's like old fashioned, isn't it?
Yeah. What is that?
I don't know. Maybe.
Then you got a little, look at that old fashioned chemist.
Oh no, it's fruit. It's fruit.
Is it? I just went down a curve.
Fruit then.
Little old fashioned chemist there as well.
It's a little shop, yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. Got your breads and all that, and cheeses. That's old school, isn't it?
Yeah, that's fantastic, isn't it?
Hmm. It's nice. Oh, God.
Right.
They got rabbits back in stock.
I think I'll put on.
Yeah, wow, yeah.
Cookie treat.
Yeah.
Oh, I know where we are. This is where I had my works do that time.
So this is the mill. You've been to Millworks?
I went to
have you?
Millworks for Dryer
Oh right, looks nice there.
in Clare and that. She's
Yeah.
got the wrong food.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was your food nice?
Yeah, yeah, good fish.
Got the menu here.
And that's the, did you go in there at that time?
I've been in there once, I think. Just before Christmas once. That looks nice, doesn't it, from out here? So, at the beginning of December, for Emily's works do, we're going to the Graduate, which we didn't know where it was. It's here. Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well,
As in location-wise.
yeah.
I did read reviews. It's meant to be nice food.
Yeah. Yeah, we fell asleep over it.
It was really hot that day. I remember.
Very hungover.
Very hungover, which is an unusual
Yeah. Very.
situation. Well, it is these days, actually.
It is actually. God, we're getting old.
Yeah. And this is, I remember this water bit here, like a weir or something, isn't it? I like this bit of Cambridge.
Do them old blind.
Yeah. It's, for your information, it's 10 o'clock in the morning.
I just went to warm the cockle.
Yeah.
It's not
So you can, so you can hire boats along here then, can you?
Yeah, this is the punting quarters up this end, because obviously down on the quayside the other end.
Yeah.
So you must end up here maybe.
It must finish here because you can't get down there, can you?
Because I cycle.
Yeah.
That's not bad fun.
Probably do quite well in Cambridge, to be fair. Yeah, I do.
Hire those.
Ooh, old school coffee shop there.
We've been
That
in
looks
there.
nice.
We've been in
We
there
have
for a
actually.
couple.
We were so thirsty, weren't we?
We get a Mac towel.
So down here, we could see the spire in the distance. It's Queen's College. As you can see, it's bloody impressive. But we're both feeling quite hungry now, so we're going to get to a cafe as quick as we can.
That were the spire on spot.
Was it not?
No.
Maybe there's quite a few of them about.
Yeah. It was more sort of like this to pick up.
I always quite like these lights on the outside.
Yeah.
The good thing about Cambridge actually, there's still quite a few little independent shops.
Look,
About?
sundials, I was learning about that. So
What's that?
these sundials
Where are they?
inside this building.
I think I didn't know.
Check out my few. What's this? Ringing the bell.
Taking it all rather seriously.
Look,
Yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it?
tell the time by the sun. Wow.
It is, but looking at that, it's 10 to... Oh no, that clock's wrong
Oh
anyway.
yeah, look, this is me. This is Harry Potter land
Yeah,
to me.
yeah, I could see you wearing that.
Yeah, the sort of thing I'd wear.
Yeah, see me in that. Should we go over there? Yeah, should we go have a look? So what college is that one up there? King's College, isn't it? Is that open? Corpus College.
Is that everything?
We're going to get a slice of pancetta and the capriolzosa, what it's called there. You can see that the pizza's been made in the kiln here. Pizza roll. Yeah. Table seat. No, window seat, sorry. Oh, it's good.
Oh, stuck.
So that is pistachio and...
Cornetto. That's what it was called.
Is it good?
Yeah. It's a bit messy.
What do you think of the pizza?
Got artichoke on it. So I love it.
This one's really nice as well. Got a nice little spice to it, I'm not sure what it is. I thought you were giving it to me. I thought you were giving it to me.
I'm showing it to you. Close up. Not a bite.
I will do it a bit, yeah.
I'll take a bite.
Yeah, that's nice.
I like the peppers on yours.
So the chapel's up there. But yeah, this is a typical sort of Cambridge college, but you can see the lawns are always immaculate. And there's the bell up there to the chapel, I presume. But very impressive. So this is the Sydney Sussex College. Yeah, it's the same this side as well. So I'm dragging Emily to go and watch the Spurs game in the Grain Hop store. No, Grain and Hop store.
Just under duress to obviously drink wine with my food.
Careful the bike. But yeah, Spurs are playing Wolves. Let's hope we win. I haven't seen Spurs losing here yet, to be fair. Don't want to jinx it though. Is it on there, is it?